Polyurethane is being used more and more in so many different applications, as it replaces traditional rubbers, plastics, and even steel. Versus steel, this super material can absorb vibration, which reduces noise, is lighter weight, and is abrasion and wear resistant in corrosive environments. It's also cheaper to manufacture, as it has no requirement for expensive processes like welding or machining. At What's Urethane, we have a long history in supplying a wide range of industries for different applications, like bend restrictors for cabling, bump stops, landing pads and guides for the marine industry, or acoustic tiles for submarines. Our polyurethane blends provide long-lasting products for use in water that are environmentally friendly and hard-wearing. When it comes to agricultural applications, polyurethane is an ideal material of choice for scraper blades, spiral rollers, grading components, custom mouldings, star wheels, wear protection, wheels and tyres, tractor wheels, and even vehicle components. We produce polyurethane bridge plates, jointing segments, and even plugs, bungs and wheels. Our polyurethane durable bridge plate material's unique properties provide excellent anti-slip performance that meets the highway standards requirements in wet conditions. For the transportation industry, we provide rollers, guide and buffer pads, linings, formers, paddles, wear protection mats, and wheels and tyres. Polyurethane is suited for many different processes within the manufacturing sector, such as material handling, automotive manufacturing, cold steel and metal production, glass processes, composites, haul-off rollers, and wheels and tyres. In the timber and wood market sector, polyurethane can be used to make haul-off rollers, contact rollers, soft touch non-crush wheels, band saw wheels, anvil rings, feed rollers, and wheels and tyres. For the military and defence sector, polyurethane is an ideal material for crowd control battens, protective shielding, track pads, rollers, wear protection mats, and also wheels and tyres. We even supply sediment scraper blades and pump wear components, amongst other things, to the water treatment industry, and a variety of parts for the recycling industry, quarrying, mining, and concrete construction, steel and aluminium industries, and we even supply ISO bags for the ceramics and glass industry. To find out more about this versatile material, please contact our experts, who'd be delighted to help.